this tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos. First thing you want to do is go to your phone settings. Go to your app settings and search for Instagram. Go to the permissions. Make sure that the photos and videos permission is allowed. Now you want to go back and go to your storage. Here you need to clear the cache. Now you want to close this and go to your Google Play Store. Search for Instagram. Here make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Hope this fixes your issue.